Hey guys, so Angie and I ran out here to Universal today because they have soft open Villain Con Minion Blast. Now I won't be able to film inside. They have a sign up. We're gonna go have fun and enjoy it. So let's get inside. So come on and join us. Pretty busy for a Saturday, but you know, it is what it is. Walking under these beautiful arches to get to the new attraction. Cannot wait. Now for the last 2 days, it has been in team member previews, team member technical rehearsal, stuff like that. But today, they had a media preview, and then right after, they did a soft opening. So it's pretty cool. Looks like it's still open, so let's do it. All right, here we go. We have made it to it. 60-minute wait right now. I think we can handle it. Let's get in line. Angie's here. Paul's here. Here we go. Okay, just had confirmation from a team member that we can film in the queue. All right, here we go. Look at this. It says it's a 60-minute wait. Pretty cool. You can kind of hear the cue music a little bit, the cue playing. Here's the video here that's going on. It's pretty awesome. Take a look at the signs going on here. Villain Con social media. That's pretty cool. Now this attraction will be linked to the app. Just kind of give you an idea how the attraction works. Here's the blaster button. Secondary launcher there. That's awesome. And while you're in here, they actually show that there's like a Villain Con schedule here as well. It's pretty cool. We'll continue to watch this. That's awesome. All right. Moving pretty fast. I don't think it's going to be a 60-minute wait. That is so cool, man. The more queue back here this way. This is cool, man. Nice little canopy. I'm wondering if this is an extended queue out this way. Oh, look at this. Companion. Adopt a furry friend today. That's what Ren needs on his mouth. Follow the smell to booth 1501. There's some weird smells going on in here, Ange. I don't know. Malicious Motors. It's pretty cool. And we're getting closer. Like I said, this is still in technical rehearsal, so we'll not be able to film inside of the attraction. The team member said it should be good filming in the queue, but the actual attraction we will not be able to film yet because it's still under technical rehearsal. And you can see that here. So here is proof that we cannot film as it is still in technical rehearsal. A little more queue left, but not too much. Looks like the door is right up there. From Rotten. That might be something in the movie. I'm not really sure, but that is pretty cool, man. Giving you all the full experience here of what we can, at least. This is pretty cool. Right, here we go. Getting really close here. All right, here we go. It's still technical rehearsal. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at that. Wow. Now, like I said, we can't film the attraction. This is still the queue. Man. Malicious Motors. That is so cool. There's posters for that outside and stuff, but more stuff over here. Now we're gonna have to put this away for you guys, but this is pretty amazing. All right, see you guys on the other side. All right, the much awaited way out of the queue. What an amazing, amazing thing. That was awesome. Okay, so we just got off Villain Con Minion Blast. We're gonna go back and get on there again, but man, I enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. What about you? You haven't decided yet, have you?
I mean, it was fun.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun.
It's nice that it's something that like kids can do.
Yeah, for sure. It's a little crowded in there and everything, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna
do that to fit with people.
Yeah, for sure. But we're gonna go get back in line again, so let's go do this. So Angie was just saying, what do you think? What was the point you were trying to make?
Yeah, I was saying like my arms are hurting like really bad. It's kind of heavy, and then you're like pulling the trigger, and so I'm like, if my arms are hurting, I bet for a child it would be heavy and like hard to hold.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy. All right, you ready to do it again?
Mm-hmm.
I really do love like the banners hanging and everything like that. Even though we can't own the actual queue itself, it's pretty awesome they have this playing throughout here. It reminds me very much so of the other Minions attractions. Now this does utilize an app, but right now the app is not active, so they're not really using that. I'm sure when actual opening day comes, they will utilize the app, but for right now, they are not. Also, the gun itself is pretty big and pretty heavy. That would be like the only quote-unquote downfall, I would say, of the attraction, if that is one. But the trigger button is a little stiff. So it's not like Men in Black where you can hold it down and just go. The trigger button's a little stiff, but other than that, I loved it. I thought it was a lot of fun. We're gonna do it again. Really close to going inside. Okay, we are now in the gift shop, but I want to show you guys this. They have the Eliminator X in here. This is the actual gun that you use, or blaster. You use on the attraction.
Not the actual size.
Not the actual size, though. It's a lot bigger. And I'll put a picture right here for you guys to see how big the guns are. I think that's like your biggest complaint.
Yeah, my arms are killing me.
Yeah, but other than that, it's a really fun attraction. So, time number 2 was done. A lot of fun. We're gonna go a third time, but this time we'll be joined by some friends of ours that you guys know from the channel. We're just waiting on them to come on over here because we're gonna have a good time. I'm excited. Angie's like, I can't take it anymore.
No, my arms
Her fingers are just...
No, it's my arms.
Her arms. My fingers hurt. It is a little stiff, but other than that, it's fun.
But I think it's because of the trigger that makes your arms hurt.
Yeah, now one thing though is that a lot of people are saying that they're having a hard time finding their little blaster thing on the screen. I have not had any trouble with that because, I don't know, because I'm really good at Call of Duty, I guess. But I'm just kidding, I'm really not. But I think this video game experience, maybe, I don't know. I did find that to be good. So my first score was 800,000. Yours was like 600. And this last time mine was 500,000. But our friend Tyler from the Q2, he got 1 million on his first try. I'm gonna have to beat him on that. But you know, it is what it is. So editing the video, I noticed that a couple of shots I caught in what's called S&Q mode, which is good for like slow motion, and it didn't catch any of the audio at all. So this little bit that I'm putting in right now is me trying the freeze ray pop at the freeze ray pop stand. I tried the Minion one, and then I'm going to go right into this, into my explanation of exactly what it tasted like. I thought it was pretty good. Okay, so final thoughts on the freeze ray pop. Well, the Minions freeze ray pop. It's just okay. The white chocolate, I think, takes away from the banana itself. After that first bite, I could taste the banana, but after that, I couldn't really taste the banana taste to it. But it is what it is. It's still really good, really refreshing. With pass holder discount, I think it came to like $7-8, something like that. So it wasn't too bad. But all right, so we're waiting on our friends. We're gonna get on Villain Con for the third time. Can't wait to ride it with some more friends. So the wait time's getting a little longer, so I don't think we're gonna wait and do it a third time today. But it'll be back, you know, open when Monday when I come back. So I'll go through the attraction again. When I can actually film inside, I can't wait to show you guys that. So anyway, I think we're gonna head out. All right, guys, so that was our day out here at Universal trying Villain Con twice. It was a lot of fun. We had a good time doing it. I don't have any complaints other than really nothing other than the gun's a little heavy.
Yeah. And
your fingers get a little tired, but you go through like 6 or 7 rooms, and once you go through the rooms, you can collect points. Like I said, I had an easy time finding my target, You not so much, right?
Well, because people were always in front of me where I needed to like aim. So
Yeah.
it's kind of annoying.
But you know, overall, it was a great experience. We had fun and enjoyed it. I mean, it was just awesome. So definitely worth the wait. It looked a lot different in there than I thought it was going to look like. Like I said, we can't show it right now because technically it's in technical rehearsal. Afterwards, though, I have confirmed with a couple of team members that we should be allowed to film inside the actual attraction. So once it reopens to the public, or once it opens to the public, I'll come back and I'll do a full POV for you guys so you guys can see. But we had a lot of fun. We enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you next time.